Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this shelf floor lamp for viewing purposes, and I think it's nice because it has different levels so we can place different stuff and have it exhibited really nice because they have a integrated light, which I think is gonna look really nice. Let's take everything out of the box. We have all the stuff that we need to assemble them, all the screws and everything, the remote control. We also get a power adapter, which I think is nice. And here we have all the tubes of the main frame and the instruction manuals, okay? With all the steps and guides to use them, which I think it's really nice. These are the proper shelves. They have this really nice wood-like design that I think is really beautiful. And in this side, we have the LEDs, okay? Which I think they're gonna look really nice. They are already really well protected with foam, bags, and everything, which I think it's great. So let's go ahead and start assembling them and let's see how they look and how they work, okay? Come on.
Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process is actually really easy. It doesn't take that much long and you don't need any kind of special tools. Everything that you need comes inside the package, and as you can see, it's really nice. As I've said, it has a nice combination with the wooden and the black supports, which I think it looks really nice. And below each shelf we have the LEDs, which I think it's gonna give an amazing look to whatever we want to highlight by placing them in the shelves. And I think that it's really nice that we have 6 different adjustable colors. We have red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and a lighter blue, which we can change with the controller, and we can also change the brightness, which I think is nice. And we have also 3 different lighting modes, which I think they are great. As you can see, we can use it to place many different stuff, whatever we want, books, magazines, even some toys, whatever you want to place in them. I think they're gonna look really nice. And as I've said, we can also highlight them with the LEDs, which I think they are great. As you can see, I'm highlighting not all the shelves, and we can change the light to choose how we want to show all our stuff, which I think it's excellent.
And overall, I think it's really nice. I like a lot the combination of the, well, black metal finish that it has the structure and the wooden frame, which I think it looks amazing. And as you can see, it was really easy to assemble, really nice. And I will really recommend that. See you guys.